Hello, Professor. I'm doing this video chat so that I respond to your concern during my proposal presentation for my project. So your concern number one was about the availability of two types of chatbots to compare their performance. Yes, here I intend to use readily available commercial chatbots. So, for example, I will compare the performance of frequently asked questions chatbots versus the conversational chatbots like ChatGPT. Now, for the frequently asked question chatbots, I'll use an example of a banking chatbot for this bank, HDFC Bank. This is a bank based in India. And when you look here at the bottom right, you say ask Eva. So I'm gonna ask Eva a few questions. Like one of the questions that I can ask Eva is, what is your name? What is your name? And Eva answers me correctly. People call me Eva with love. How can I help you today? Then the next question I will ask is, what is the current interest rate for car loan? So when I ask this, if I will give me an three options for new car loan, do you want to apply? Do you want the charges? And do you want the limit? So from here, I'll choose for one of the options. From one of the options, if I want to apply for a new car loan, or if I want the charges for the interest rates, or I want the limits. So I'll ask the third question to Eva. And the question is, what did you have for dinner last night? And when I ask Eva this question, what did you have for dinner last night? And then these are the answers. Were you looking for any of the following? What are the dining offers available? Can I share my complimentary drinks or dishes with my friends? Can I get 1+1 on food or 2+2 on drinks at the same restaurant? What are the vouchers available for food on Smart Buy? What is the HDFC Life Personal Pension Plus? So you see now the way Eva is answering this question, the question is not a banking question. It's actually way off the answers that I expect. Now, having asked Eva 3 questions, I will now go to another type of chatbot. And this one is the conversational type of chats, and the one I've chosen was the ChatGPT. So I'll ask ChatGPT the same question. The first question was, what is your name? And the ChatGPT answers me correctly. My name is ChatGPT. What did you have for dinner today? Now, the answer is, I'm sorry, but as an artificial intelligence language model, I don't have the ability to eat, or I have a physical presence. My purpose is to assist with answering questions and providing information to the best of my ability. Is there anything else I can help you with? And then I'll ask another question. This is what is the interest rate for a new car loan. So that's another question. So when I ask ChatGPT, so it's still answering. Let us finish and complete. So it has completed. What is the interest rate for a new car loan? So here, interest rates for new car loans can vary depending on a number of factors, such as the borrower's credit score, the loan amount, the length of loan term, and the lender. How, according to Experian, as of the second quarter 2021, the average interest rate for new car loan was 4.25%. For borrowers with excellent credit score 781 or higher, or 7.04% for borrowers with a good credit score of this, and 12.5. For borrowers with a subprime credit score of this, it is important to shop around and compare offers from multiple lenders to find the best interest rate and terms of your individual situation. So I've asked the same questions to the two types of chatbots, and you can clearly see that ChatGPT has answered those two questions correctly, two questions correctly, and with declining one of the questions. And the other type of chatbot has answered two questions correctly, where one question correctly, where in one question it gave you an option to choose from. Some of those options were far off the answers that we did expect. And therefore, in this case, the ChatGPT is a better chatbot than the frequently asked questions chatbot Eva from the banking sector. So, Professor, this is how I intend to do my research. I'm going to develop between 10 to 20 questions, and I'll also do my research and pick on two types of chatbots. I can pick on an LLM model like ChatGPT, and I can also pick on another type of chatbox, let's say a script-based chatbox, and then I compare the two. Now, the one that is going to answer most questions accurately is the one that I'm going to say that is a better chatbot than the other. So my parameters, the parameters that I will use to determine whether which chatbot is better than the other, is purely how these two chatbots are going to answer those questions. Thank you very much, and let me know if you have further questions. Thank you.